Shopping Toyota Highlander? Compare it with Ford Explorer, America's all-time best-selling SUV. It has intelligent four-wheel drive with terrain management system. That's 7 modes to help handle virtually any kind of terrain. Explorer offers an easy entry second row and a PowerFold seat in the third row. And more second row headroom than Highlander. And it's the most spacious generation of Explorer ever. Explorer has more horsepower and torque than Highlander. It comes with Ford Co-Pilot360. It out-tows Highlander. That's 5 driver assist technologies. Again, all standard. Ford Explorer, the greatest exploration vehicle of all time.